Faced with tough competition from more efficient Japanese automakers in the 1980s, General Motors sought to adopt the legendary Toyota production system's lean principles. To learn the Japanese methods, GM partnered with Toyota to form New United Motor Manufacturing, or NUMMI, in 1984. The joint venture gave GM access to small cars, and Toyota got its first North American manufacturing base to avoid tariffs on imported vehicles. NUMMI was based in California, at the former Fremont assembly plant whose workforce had a rough reputation. It was considered the worst workforce in the automobile industry in the United States. Bruce Lee, then Region 6 Director of the United Auto Workers, recalled to NPR in 2010. Employees at the plant were among the first Westerners to witness firsthand the success of lean manufacturing. Efficiency soared, quality improved. It was great. GM sought to scale the lean principles, and quickly learned it wasn't so simple. Each plant had its own culture and its own inertia. The problem wasn't technological, it was cultural. The NUMMI plant's unique characteristics, a fresh start with a hybrid culture workforce, gave the initial deployment a spark that couldn't be ignited across GM's vast network. Sharing knowledge across facilities among tens of thousands of workers was also a major challenge. Through the 90s and 2000s, GM continued investing in technology and training to shift to lean principles, but struggled to consistently apply them. GM didn't give up. Eventually, after going bankrupt in 2008, the manufacturer had no choice but to streamline operations somehow. In the years since, GM has evolved its lean practices to adapt to electric vehicle production, increased automation, and global supply chain complexities. Lean principles have become integral to GM's production philosophy. According to the EPA, GM has one of the most widespread lean manufacturing initiatives in the US.